Ciara. Welcome to my channel, Learning Builds Life. Today we are going to talk about algebra, binomials, and trinomials. Let's see today's sum. If x squared plus 1 by x squared equal to 7, find x cubed plus 1 by x cubed. Now, firstly, we have to refer a formula. This is actually a form of a squared plus b squared. A squared plus b squared is equal to a plus b, the whole squared, minus 2ab, which is also actually a minus b, the whole squared, plus 2ab. The first formula, this is what we are going to refer now here. We can write 1 by x squared as x squared plus 1 by x, the whole squared, equal to 7. And here, a is like x and b is like 1 by x. Referring the formula, we write, or x plus, we will refer this, not this. This is not useful to us. We have to refer this. X plus 1 by x, the whole squared, minus 2 into x into 1 by x, equal to 7. Cancel out the x's, we get 2. Or, and by transposition we get x plus 1 by x, the whole squared, 7 plus 2, 9. Now, doing the square root on both sides, we finally have x plus 1 by x is equal to plus minus 3. X plus 1 by x is plus minus 3. This was the first part of our sum to get x plus 1 by x. Now you may take a look at the board. Moving on to the next part of our sum. Moving on to the rest of our sum. Previously, we got x plus 1 by x equal to plus minus 3. Now focusing on x cubed plus 1 by x cubed. X cubed plus 1 by x cubed is nothing but in a form of a cubed plus b cubed. A cubed plus b cubed, which is actually a plus b, the whole cubed, minus 3ab into a plus b, the whole. This is the formula which now we are going to refer. Now, we can write this as one by x whole cubed. Now, writing this in the sense of, in form of a formula, we get x plus 1 by x, the whole cubed, because we consider like x is like a and 1 by x is like b, minus 3 into x into, 1 by x into x plus 1 by x, the whole. And this is where we use this value of plus minus 3. Substituting x plus 1 by x in all places, we get, and canceling the x's here, we get 3 into plus minus 3. Plus minus 3, the whole cubed. If we consider plus 3 whole cubed, then it gives plus 27. And minus 3 whole cubed is minus 27, so plus minus 27. And in this case, if we consider like minus 3 into plus 3, we have minus 9. And then minus 3 into minus 3 is plus 9. the symbols, the signs on top are corresponding to each other, and the signs at the bottom, plus, minus, and plus, are corresponding to each other. From this, we finally get 18 or minus 18. And this is our final answer. So now you may take a look at the board. Hope you enjoyed this episode, and please like, share, and subscribe my channel, and stay tuned for more videos. Thank you.